Hosanna in the highest. Hi guys, it's your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So we are still on our bread making series. Today I present to you how to make Ghana's soft and fresh from the oven sugar bread. Just look at it. Pano na aye akono say. Hey family, I know you want to try this, okay? So after watching this video, you are going to make your own sugar bread, okay? So let's go. So as you can see, I have my flour and all my ingredients here, of which I'll be listing in the description box, so you check it out, okay? I have nut meg, baking powder, essence, I have my improver, eggs, milk powder, salt to taste, my yeast, and the others. Like I said, I'll be listing all in the description box together with its measurements, so you check it out, okay? So now we add all our dry ingredients. And then we mix it together for it to incorporate into each other. And then we add our essence. You can choose to use any essence of your choice. I add my margarine, my milk, egg, some water, and then we are going to start with the mixture. So the difference between tea bread and sugar bread is, with the sugar bread we add a little more sugar than the tea bread, okay? So after kneading, I will cover it and then take it to the machine for rolling. Like I said earlier on, I have the video or the link up there, you can check it out, okay? So after kneading or rolling, this is what we have here. Just look at how soft, how smooth, and how fresh it is. Yeah, so we do a little kneading, and then this is my baking sheet or baking pan. So I'll just grease it with some butter or margarine. And then we are going to roll the dough into the various shapes into our baking tin or baking pot. Family, you can see how my Ekuma is kneading the dough. Like I said, she is a pro. I love you so much, my Ekuma. Yes, so she's gonna knead or roll the dough. Then I will make the pans ready. So after this, we will allow it to rest for about 4 hours for it to rise before we do the baking. So you can see our bread is baking gloriously in the oven, about 280 degrees. So we bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes, and voila! Just look at this. Our sugar bread is ready. We had lots and lots of bread and with different shape. So this is one, the awawai. If you're saying a me why no, here's any I am And then we have the full loaf here, sugar bread papebi. The way it's so fresh and delicious, family, you need to make your own bread. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we hit 6,000 subscribers. Okay, I love you guys, and I know you are enjoying this bread with me, with some Milo or with some tea. See ya. Bye bye. Thank